friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sitala. In this session, we learn the notification in Android. So let us start. First, I share my laptop screen and fix the position here so you can watch better way my video lecture. And here Eclipse ADT bundle I already open in window menu, Android Virtual Device Manager. We can select our AVD, start and launch. So our device is ready. So after complete this process, our devices appear. And yes, now I take as minimize and close this window. And in file menu, we can take new Android application project. So yes, new application window is appear, new Android application, and now we can give the name of application, and that is a notification. So yes, you have to know very well notification in our devices like in appear in the our status bar top of our device. So notification underscore demo, that is our app's name. Yes, next our uh, default work page folder is perfectly selected. Next, yes, our icon and background color perfectly selected. Blank activity. Next, and activity underscore main, and that is our Java file, and activity underscore main, that is our layout file, and main activity, that is our Java file in Android, and finish. So our apps is create. After that process here, SDK load that component and take some few minutes. Yes, or we can say that just sometime that directly start, because yes, now you can look that is appear. So yes, I take as full screen, and first that hello, that is a text view, and delete. Now yes, that is a like in alert dialog box we can take only one button. So here I take also one button, and whenever we can click, so that is a appear to here in the status bar. So that notification is coming. So let us take first, we can change that button. So button ID BTN, and we can say that notification. So yes, so we can say that show. Yes, and here we can give the notification, that type of text. Okay, now can give some property, and that is text size and color all are there, 25 dp, and we can say that text color. So we can say that 0000 and F blue color. And now what to do? So X style. So that is a bold we have to provide perfectly. And also we can take as click event. So Android, yes, and that is we can take as on click event. So btn show, yes, underscore click. So notification, yes, let us check. So only one button that our design, yes, notification. So whenever we click, so that is a appear to one notification. So there are four steps. First, we can create the object notification or notification compact class is there, and then we can take some property or set the method. And third step is optional, that is we can bind some action. And fourth step, that we can issue the notification. So yes, perfectly. So let us, we can start our coding. So source package, and here main activity.java file. So you can look here. So yes, here there is a no any control. So we can directly take the public void and btn show underscore click, and that is a view. That argument we have to pass our parent class, and I take as full screen, import the package of view class, android.view package. And first step, yes, here there are two technique, means two way, notification class or notification compact class. Both you have to create your object. So let us first, we can use notification, and I give the notification, that object we have to create. So you can look here, that is a builder notification dot builder and compact dot builder, that both. So here we can give the NB. Yes, so I give the first letter notification and B for builder, and now we can provide the memory allocation. So first we can write the notification, yes, and then builder, and that you can see that is a get application context, that is our, or we can say that main activity dot this, or only this keyword you can also pass. So first step, that we have to create the object notification dot builder or notification compact dot builder class. Now second step, so we can assign some properties. So I give the NB, and that is a, we can say that set, yes, that is our uh, title ticker is there, but here we can first assign to our, yes, so we can say that notification is like alert, same, we can give some title, but set content title is that, and set content text is there. So in alert dialog box we can set title, but here set contents title, that is a different. So first that our title, and we can give the my first notification, that type of, okay, that is very long. So my first notification, yes, that type of, I give the title. And yes, let us check, we cannot provide the semicolon here and continue to our object. So yes, perfectly, so we cannot write nb any, you can also write, but so you can give the semicolon here, nb is a continue, and we can use set content text. So here we can say that this is a testing of notification, that type of that our text, and then that is a mandatory, means compulsory, we can give the title, text, and that small or large, so we can provide the icon. Whenever come the icon, we can take as drawable resources, and you can take from icon in internet or paintbrush or photoshop, you can create, but small icon, yes, so here you can also take large icon. So here I use our icon android ic underscore launch png file, yes, and that we can say that set uh, auto cancelable, so we can pass as true. So that is perfectly, so that is our, and action I have to not bind, that is optional part. Third step is action, but here I first simple, not means not attach the action, like your our email id, we can bind some attached file, pdf file. So without, first we have to see the our notification without attachment, because that is optional part. So now I skip the third step because that is optional. So what to do? So we can take issue the notification, and we can create the notification manager class. Yes. So let us take, so notification, yes, the notification manager. So you can look here android.apps, and I give the nm, yes, and we can provide the like so get yes, here we can assign, so we can provide the notification manager class and assign the uh, that is application, let us take so we can provide the memory allocation, yes, so that is a perfectly, but let us take, so get system. So you can look here, get system service, that is a method of activity class. So like in location, means LBS service, telephonic service, and network API. So all where we can use get system service, and we can pass the contact class constant member. So here that is a context class, and that is a, we can say that notification service. So telephonic service, notification service, web service, yes. And so web URL, we can so many services in contact class. So we can use this method. And then that is a return is a object class. So we can give the typecasting so perfectly. Now what to do? So yes, nm notification dot notify, that is a method you can look, that is overloaded, and we can pass yes here two arguments. So first is id, so I assign to 0 integer value. And then what to do? So here we can provide that is our nb notification dot builder, and then build method is there. Build means that create, so we can pass in notify. So actual that notification manager handle internal and notify, so that is a issue the notification. So that is finished. Yes, that third step. So very easy way we can handle the notification. So I save, and yes, you can look here, that is I save that type error. So what is a error? Yes, here or not any our code error, but that API level 11 is required, and here is a 8. So what to do? So we can go in our Android main feast file. Here Android main feast file is there, and here last tab, here minimum 8. So I give 11 and save. So all error is gone. You can look here, there is no any error. So that is a perfectly. Now we can run these apps. So yes, here I open the package all explore. You can look here. So apps dot activity notification and notification manager and content, that contact class is there. So now we can run our apps and let us how that notification is issued. So I right click yes, and run as Android application. So our device is ready, and I open the lock. Yes, and let us check that how issue the notification. So yes, here some process is coming, that SDK load that component and dot that bin folder, that dx and apk file is created. So yes, after very few seconds, our apps, yes, now that appear. You can look here, and you can look watch to here in status bar. So I press the notification that button, and you can look here one that message is coming. So how to see? Yes, I press the that button in left hand side, and you can see that my first notification that time, and this is a testing of that our message and that our icon. So there are three parts. So that is a title, content, message, and icon. So and that automatic cancelable. So I just swap. So that is gone. You can look here. There is no any notification. So that auto cancel we can true. Again I run, just click. So you can get again same notification. So now what to do? So we can use ticker method. Yes, so that is a alert. Yes, here you can give that is a alert. So let us check how to set the ticker method. So let us next step, and that is an optional part, but let us check. So here I remove and give the set ticker, like timer control, that tick event same, that is here alert. And here we can say that my uh, ticker or any give the name. Yes, that is a ticker. So my ticker or my notification, whatever. So we can set the ticker, and I save that again error. Yes, let us check. I control S. So you can look here, that is not so what to do? Yes, here that API level. So I just set ticker and that build method error, and that is API level 16 supported the ticker method. So what to do? So again, yes, here Android main feast file is already open, and we can give the year 16 API that's supported. So I save, there is no any error. You can look here. So error is gone. Here no any error. And now I run again. So here let us I use this button, and let us how its ticker is coming. So after we can see the ticker and we can go the attachment in notification. So action, yes. So let wait some here that very short that our output yes now appear, and you can observe here one flashing and very short time like in TOS class we can use printout and some that after that disappear. Same way here that alert. So you can look here my ticker. So that icon yes now that gone. So that is a ticker method. Like in our device, some message or mail that come in your inbox. So that is a ticker method is alert and that flush after that remove. So same way here we can use as ticker method. Yes, that may gone. Now what to? So last step we can use as action. So action we have to attach and that is a third step. So first that we can create the object, then set the property, and third is a action we can take to here action and then issue the notification. That is a fourth step, but third is optional. So now I can use the first intent. Yes, that is a require intent and I create the object intent class. So message passing object can pass one activity data to other. That time we can use the intent, and in background one component pass to other component that message that is also help the intent. And now what to do? So again that pending intent, yes, here one class and android.app same package, so I give the pi. And now what to do? So just here we can say that hmm, pending intent, yes, and that you can look here that is a activity. So we can pass here that is activity, and first is a this directly I pass this keyword, then request code, so I pass as 0, and then intent, yes, so I pass the I, and then flag variable, so I pass again that is a 0, that integer value. So that is a completely, so pending intent we can use. And now how to, yes, here now I use that is a we can require the bind up to the action. So I again remove this semicolon and that add action, that is a method. You can look here add action, that is optional. So previously I not bind, now I use add action, and we can pass that icon. So yes, here icon I again use the drawable resource, and then our icon same you can also you take different. And title, yes, I give the title, and that is my action one, that is my title, and then intent. So that is I pass the pending intent object. Yes, again, I use the add action, second action. Yes, there is no limitation. You can, number of action is attached to your notification. Then I give the title in double quote, let us action 2, and then intent. So I use again PI pending intent object, and now I give the semicolon. And now what to do? So here that we can give the pending intent. Yes, so we can use EI, and yes, let us check how that is attached, but we can use as pending intent and get notification. So PI, and that we can give that. So yes, here we can use some pending intent, that is our attachment is perfectly. And now what to do? So we can use, yes, here first I not give semicolon. So you can look here, add is not, but set contents. Yes, you can look here, set content, like in our set content view. In our you can look here, set content view r dot layout dot activity main, and same way here we can set intent. So that perfectly. And now we can pass the pending intent. Yes, that is our requirement. And then what to do? So we can say that get notification. You can look here. That is a builder. Yes, get notification. Yes, let us check. So that is a deprecate means all that versions. So that is a not means deprecated new upcoming means in that next version. So here we can use the set contain intent and pass the pending. So all that our action 1 and 2 is attached, and then we can get the notification. So with the attachment, so we can include here two line. First is a intent object we can create, and pending intent, that is just reference not object. Here new keyword use, here no any new keyword, and get activity is then request code 0 intent, that is our here intent I, and then flag so 0, and then here set content intent and pass the pending intent and get the notification. So now that process or that attachment, so you can look here in set content view that r dot layout. So our main activity underscore main layout is bind to our activity, and same way here our two attachment bind to our notification. Same way here method is a set content intent, and we can pass the pending intent of reference and then get the notification. So now that build, yes, let us check. I save, no error, and now run. Let us check how that action is coming with to our notification. So yes, that is our previous output. Wait, yes, now that come, and very short few seconds that complete the process, and latest our apps that our notification coming. Yes, that coming, and I click. So you can look here my ticker. Yes, give the any name, and you can look here. There are two actions. So that is like file attach. So after that my that title icon, this is our thread content message or text. This is a testing of, and there are two actions. So after you can click here, so that is take some action, but here I not bind that part. So after we can simple way first, yes, that is a no any notification, that is cancelable set, and now again I click last time. So you can look my ticker and disappear. Yes, so that is a flush only some few seconds, and yes, so that is action 1 and 2 here separation. So any number of action you have to bind to your notification, like in our we can send our mail to other person and attach like PDF or document file. Same way here we can notification bind to action 1 2, there is no any limitation. So here we can use two class, pending intent and intent class. So yes, I cancelable, yes, gone. So I hope you can understand. Yes, here very simple code. So look this code, there are three steps. So first we can create the notification object, notification compact.builder or notification.builder, and then some property, and then at last that is a optional, but we can set the action also, and then notification manager issue the notify method, and we can build to our notification. And that is I think I there is in design file there is no any simple, we can take only one button, and that is our, so that is coding is very simple. Yes, and here we can change two time at API minimum SDK first 11 then 16, because ticker method is required 16 API level. So we can first use set ticker that 16 API that work perfectly, otherwise that taking error. And yes, now that complete. So you can look here our notification. So any question regarding notification, how work in Android, you can write in comment section. I give the definitely to answer you. And that is our output, and that is that code. You can look here at both at the same time. So subscribe my channel Ashok Sijala Academy. Press the bell icon to never miss any update. And thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. And Hare Krishna.